I'm a vim lady, Efia Pokia. My mom, good evening, Yakwaba, dear more dzin. And I said, I can see a bit more trading upon net, Yawada, because I just by his grace, not Dumunti, and if you a Dwada, ABC, and net, and common. In fact, if you know Yawada, T ensure to toy in I and that, since you are to Amanaphobi. And you are born in I and that. Yantisa comes to the Obiao, just by a Dumalaqua. And ya ho de na nye PhD and anya o masters no and anya o law no and anya bibia it's just by grace na yetinkum lawyers wu ehiafo school escafo wu ehiafo omo akọ school na omo nko school so just by grace ever me vim lady Efia Pokia na lawyer fo atena se na ye be kan se bia huya pa unim se kofo ta aka se lawyer fo ho ahomte but anya sa o lawyer for the law and ye adwuma emra and omo de ye adwuma and ye chewa last week e be kan se se police ni be chewa e wo se bibi emra na e ma ni tumi no ama police ni kro no asa tumi ni so o kire de nti a o kire ansa na wa kire wo emra kro no a kire police ni se wo so o steady e wo kwan wo kire nim afa statement also o kire ko so hu se statement no e ye wu statement ye be kan ho asem e na ye hwe de nti a number 1 cases e che e wo court ade na ye se ya ajon yetu asheda na asase hu case 10 years 20 years e dan hu case 10 years ade nti na ya chew kra ansama ye beka na no e wo article 90 wo constitution no ye behwe ni nyina last week ya shada de bibi kakra by fa na asasem no so obi betimi a record o a unim mo ama be ya na guess ni boys ya be change your style be like that na mu twitwa foni hey mba steady lawyer ewu ama ye hu se akose wo se obi fra okra na di two speaker na wan kan che na haram kwatomra a breach of privacy. But I'm running church and never be a new betting at Zanasi. So I did bow my year, obey me a video on country. She bet me about them up the video. So who do Bonnie be on for public policy? And the Bonena oh ye crime unity, you bet me a but you may be a name. If I'm a vim lady, no case and any, and their production team is solid and on mobile and 70 now. My Benny's estate. I die at sea, broche for myself. Shana one found dying as I said talk. Uncle Shebusiani, what for so what for my milk papa, and my uncle Fast and my watch now can have done a bush amongst yourself. Will you be any what my family or Cotonou Estate Company? My Benny's, my number no, wait to me, I home eduma. Nana teaching bitters, watching I Friday, ye. Yen anu kremofo nyina ye mamo barka de sala mo de nsan mo nka ho minerals na mo nom kronkron na mo de ma Allah mo mpaye no so na aboye nene ye nyina ye te na mum won mo atete nchen no ma mo se wiasefo no mo de ye budidi ubebu abu papa na na techi bitters na ye kan fa mo o da mo kan na ye de me case na ba ye ntwesi mra sesi a ye be bie mra nim ya cho se de mra ne te vim lady ni me case na Adum TV eba abusia for yasamo makwaba me wo case na ene yaba no ya ba me vim lady Efia Pokia na lawyer for na tena se a ye ne omo ebetwetwe nkomo ebecheche mran ma mo say yes emra wo Ghana ha na de enti a ye busa question is adenti na wo di case kokota eche adenti na land cases and sase cases say ebekobi won ma 10 years 5 years de enti a ahensem chieftaincy no kra de bobo se kra de abamu ne marital issues aware na no bekaya registrar general office any registrar back or court kwa beka say the rate at which our we gu no ehomete but our we so gu because him penifo no mo cho law no as far back as 60s so and mo ye lawyer so matrimonial causes act 1973 or something 1973 1973 na Ghana for penifo mo ye law ni nim say nkofo beja aware because 60s before independence Ghana nkofo beja aware into omo ye law no mu se nkofo beja aware na so de nkofo ja more sebi because of kwase ebu nti emma bu emma kwase a emma so bu ma kwase a esisi nti uti ho na ya law no ye se kwa de tumi ko Supreme Court Justice Doche ni nua no ma 50-50 pai ni achem de nti na cases ni che wan kasa betimi do case a court kwan ben so na de case ni be court and lawyers be cheche mu na lawyer Eric Opoku Brobe last 2 weeks obekan ye ho e wa ha watena se dada lawyer ye mo akwaba legal aid scheme ho no mo fie a che se we mu no mo to mo ho asi wo se obi a oni bi uni sika de be fa lawyer uni sika yeso uni sika wasem swa usika sa wasem swa by ho de ko legal aid a omo anso omo ni o the whole legal aid headquarters na wo enkran no lawyers here omo ani cases egu omo so more but Nyankopon hu mobro ne omo a ayi etu ho ache they've just volunteered so mbesom Ghana nti ombe your case na ma free lawyer Martin Pebu e wa ha unim ne dada on dey wo kasa just civil society advocacy lawyer senior into a church and semupa omie no ha mbebo na ya church and sem lawyers and good evening lawyer Martin Pebu mama starting fee wona mbusa say ade na cases e che wo court because abonten emo mu ne mu law school no obi a dwene yes lawyers mo shada na ma case che mu ne mu nuanom judge say na yare and Dr. John yes omo kom ka bro say omo ba court and John and omo ti ase mo say ya date ade nti na cases ne che
media you can SMP ampa SMP but me trust say seriously no me fan say you because some of courses no and say rules na e dey ejuma no rules na nkasa e wo nhihye a kire say any say na o see education nti me fan say and even before answer me komu na o say me di kan e me nyina ate ase say mra say eni kwan say lawyer be ma o case a che dey bi ye nheda anye boakoyo dey bi yes mra say lawyer ebu mra so ma o case ne cha
no ebu mra so
yes
mra be no
yeah legal ethics no ethics your friend legal ethics rules actually say we don't say e ba ne say kwan wo ho say o say settle case na o say settle so na say case na wu a any kwan say lawyer be twimu sa stoking litigation there be stoking litigation
stoking anything
and I just say I say who jam I say bidie o dey
na wo bom na wo bojanim na edare sa I see stoking litigation into lawyer yes as stoking litigation na wa tum lawyer formra into who client who bet me the lawyer na court
ampa your lawyers court for her
general legal counsel
by yourself what here CEO near me patchen say aseme ni ho a lawyer ono o twim no obi enim say aseme yewu nso on dey o se chinchina ye nko dey bi no na apart from that nso to say obi o ha o se o meja manaka okay meja manaka
na lawyer say dey bi
nti ono a best sponsor say dey bi but enu bi no ha ya ye nti CEO you are na on say bia we di dem ye asem na nyanya nti lawyer fee say ye de court na ya twini pakro na aso ye se de be ya be ma amanse nyina nso sua ho nyansa nti enu no bi no o se eti ase ba o hwe na senya ade a ebeboa o manyi na se nipa na ka se o weja manaka on pesa asembe kokota ni kwan say lawyer be ka say kwan bia so ono de beko
na say lawyer ye wo case bi civil na okay dey anya criminal offenses so
pacho say what to mra aname fan say we bu mra so criminal case eno de case ni aban dia
nti say nyantechi dey say case ni aban dia nti eno nyantechi ntumi nkopacho say e wa settle case no
eno sa at least near o man penyi de ko down CID say eno ye defrauding by force eno sa no dey bi eno aban dia but aban cases nso ye ka say criminal case na bi wo ho nkitinkiti no eno so mrama kwan be settle to say obi abo obi asum na say we impra simple assault bi a wabon twede kakra bi but so pra na muje tunu ne ne ye ka ene ye musa nti so back to it and I say so first prelims no lawyers ye nsheda enye boakoyo but nti so hu say lawyer ankasa asheda say obi delay o case no adjust kamo a ye wo court a friend general legal counsel o de ko down mo mbe ye hwehwemu nti won say de bia in every year obehwe na ya twe lawyer bi assign afi bia obehwe na ya twe lawyer mi lawyer fu mienu ana miensa assign okay ebi kura for long period 2 years 3 years okay nti but ye bambramu na some of the cases and say they sit no o share rules na anya ade a o court ne ya na o china ye bi nti me ye wo bebi a o kwa etimi content and your friend district court to say obi de oka Enru your friend is saying
20,000 200 million kadada ni
nti ho no kwa e boni to
this court in there he no
magistrate
dey wo bia nkrase no court na wo no potem
we wa kra ha
empo ano bi na bi Mpoano den the regional tribunal na
NCC district court magistrate bebre
na ba ko la Madina Tema ebi wo ho
Tema
Ashama ebi wo ho ana Kaneshi Workers College
nyina nti e hon it me content because no say sikani so anti it me but me fan say oh say me fan say we japade pa 3 me fan say 200,000 Ghana over and no rush too much we hwe no na yeti na afidia nti so what I'm saying is that by the rules no say they sit no most of the time I be check akra because akra na say lawyer DBBA so on average 1 year there no more wie
1 year
no
the say etie for etiase ne say ye lawyer say kokota case bia na sim bia de kokota bia emra hwehwe kwan e fa so deba
okay
ye de wasem no eba court ekwan e fa so deba no etibe bitimi ma case no ewie ntem ye estate proceed estate kwan fa so entinsem bi wo ha oba by a rate eno no emra ne kire se o issue rate na ye wo emre dodo a o serve anani panin saka
chiche mma na omo ofie no monti ase se civil cases na okay won
civil
cases na ya obi ni obi ntemu asem nye the police bamu no anya aban de no civil case obi de oka okoje obi aware mu koje aware breach of promise to marry so
ese bi mu
rate na ye de
rate no e form
krata bi ade mawo e wo court
summons
rate of summons eti no emra no hihye se a free high court a second court in fact a free district court it depend asama wo de ko yo onsem ni bu ha ye se fa bisade bra na friend application na motion eno ntebe obi ewu akwakoje letters of administration na probate no o file no o do adanse nyina aka paper no enti one day na assembly bedru court no yetimi kama
eda no a
ewie court ne grant me de church de enti ebimu enti asesa assembly court ada na we che na we enko ebu ha me kan afwa de me nua ekan ebi wo ha ejina kwan ye de asem no eba court ena ebi ososo a woni mu asem soso kan eno soso timi delay it even by a rate no se parties no anyo madwen so ombebo ama court no akontema ebi mbetimi edemra kwan no edi agrama case no delay it me example it mra ne se odi asem we ba ko by a rate of sermons odi mani pana edi be 8 days ene also odin krata be chese ninsaka ene friends wa enter appearance
8 days na watch
8 days aye be 7 no enti se beliefs no an 7 ni panentema se bosume kra na edi wo court wa ofale na yenya 7-8 days in starting counting
enti 8 days ni free say da nensa be kan saman krata no chese brai ye real court na 8 days na starting counting
no me say me
ntina just believe be to me delay o case
yes ni panensa ka wia obetimi dey command a lawyer na no amu obetimi enter appearance abechire court no enter of appearance na nche say ni pa me ba court say me nsaka obechire krata your format be say oye o file
but no also within 8 days na watch
within the 8 days no ese ode eba yobu anensa beka okan a otimu samfonso bi wo ho no ebe say me wo asem bi kan enti otimi raise preliminary objection bi obetima enter conditional appearance eno mran say owo about 10 days to do that
now we start asem no crowd
yen start
e 18 days 10 no bekan 8 no 18
no there be
enye automatic
there be it depend tio won saka pepa na onya yi ano no ohun se problem we bi a edin anakwan ni pan survey ana lawyer of file wo some small
issue bia
problem bia utimi enter na o enter o conditional appearance within the 8 days emran say wo 10 days say what this objection
and started with after 8 days no and say
started time o enter o conditional appearance no
okay
etini nyina kan depending when no nyina timi delay to bo wa file e court lawyer da be ne be kokko ye nyanru hokra because ansanse court ni betie objection na wo ho no na enti lawyer bi ha ohwe no enter conditional ansa no de ni application na or the objection no eba onyanko the merit and asem na nkase e betima cause lawyer file we kra oni license an address no kra ni state no correct and any pay kra file ade no oni tumi otumi raise and otumi dispose of case no quickly
enti the option say mon shada say more cases na che
and e bi won so a nipa na afale oma answer there so ma yi ansem na no so hwe na se nipa ni yi ano no etimi bu asem wakeka nsem bia waje nsem na to mu a utimi de abisade ba court ema court ni bu asem no ehwa ama ne ende enye lawyer bia na etimi hu sa trick no enti obo otimi hu nansem o kan nyina utimi so oni asem papa bia aka utimi de nsem ba ebua asem no ena obu on so bia ya survey no se nhwehwemu kire se ne nsaka ena bo paye onyi ano so a utimi ebeji default
judgment
etiano
I see
there are na court ne ebu on person me careful because of natural justice the person me say ansa na court be bu asem se wa ma afa ba kono wetie na asem etie mu nyina entia ebi wo ha court no so pese ohun se afenu ni nyina no etimenya akwanya ansa na watu anamo eno na bi wo ha eno so timi delay obi a afenu no nye omadwen so mebo ama case na contem no wo hu se e wo se otu anamo hu ntem no otimi sheda
delay and bi ye pa
kebu ha oloya ntimi ntu anamo because de wo se nka obi ye no onye enti na mra na hu sa ni enti your punishment so a yetimi award cost
etia wa obe delay unnecessarily no
ebe delay
bala ma people now ka say be say so obi kra hu say ampa lawyer wa sheda utumi de no ko general legal council but sa general legal council for no mo hen nkofo ko bebre watan wa lawyers bi kra edi o ma bro omo hen
office for Supreme Court building.
Supreme Court no. Now what is so be slow. Now what is slow.
Okay, about so the about general legal council no. Emra also say no. We say now so lawyer so e wa sudie say oyo case no ni yie mu a standard you expected from a lawyer.
Now who nim obeden wo so oya no.
Me case asem so. Enti so lawyer anye o case no. Emma enunti no ohwere bibi ebia ni delay anase wanfa emra kwan so anye nie utimi si wo lawyer no kra
lawyer ti mo lawyer se kwa so mo dada nti e de ne ekosi wo
ene se ne emra no
emra no lawyer brobe me ye den me hu mami oti dwomu a oti asaf market oton ne niam a odwom ana boy oti cycle ya ala masa na so ye shedrek ono obede hu se lawyer no ko ani masem ye it's just a belief won adwiri mu se no na kopam no hu se lawyer woni me ani ye but oni kwan bi obe se woni ne ani court no rules no e ma kwan bi ase case kokota average sa law na wo kan ye no ethics legal ethics law no does it say averagely mfie dudu obo so me dudu na dudu wo say case edi say a criminal na civil wo say edi
any they be ensure law no so it depends on each case. Intina say okoye complain say lawyer no na delay case na ye be nhwehwemu na ya hwe adjourn hwan a to de bia na ebia lawyer no ntiapo to de bia na judge ana say niema wo say ode ba no adansidi no enye ready nti niema bibree
na lawyer for no so de bia omukokota say my lord will take a date ni pay onim ma o mo bro for am kan on tiate but dey be onim say lawyer baby will take a date mo agi TNT will take a date mo agi pedro
do na ye pon a lawyer be trust
lawyer no mu nyina na wa daje o
eto de bia udwane free court back akọ the next court nti bibi sa be kan say any wi abre no afre me no ma chere
nti enya se mo sheda
debi lawyer once a lawyer gi case no audience but won say no kure wo mu ni say do na o sika ne nso nti wo hwa ye ye probo no bebre me kura men ye legal aid ye me private practitioner no
ba wo ye legal aid
yeah bebre free okay bi so waji kakra bi o boa ne nti I will say to be fine say on average in a day ukura 3 cases e bi kura 4 nti we de no I was all rush call that one nti say a journey a wo de enwumre ofre a na bia meet me a kire wa say but say me wie wo de no ebia eno kra no ye probo no say o say me ko bebi a menya kakra me ye ne me ma wo fie to ka say ye appoint ye nyina oni nkomo
ba lo ye say wo kira ase because bebre nti ase say ti o munim say mo sheda na mo delay case mo sheda na mo delay
kakra bi wo kra wo court we yen frɛ wo case but wada case ye frɛ wo be call ba kotena ho no wo sane afrɛ
o case ba ko no na wo ka wo de ba
ko because it dey share time say o case ye be friend nine we a junior lawyer o kokota ye lawyer na ye be from first and e be also lawyer bi ho ogina na so so ka the case on kan wie ni abefre wo de eti
and there Martin Pebunum on be koti brofa ka say Shakespeare rum no mutimi koti ron mo me ade o o timi koti Shakespeare no de Bible problem one o ti wo jade to
eti bi a case management of the court na anase case said the court na be hye said o musi edi mra na kasa o mundi so o musi be free case at 9 ebu aye lawyers ni for e be bo 9 ne embai ebu also so lawyers na ba court clerk so ba be free case ni ho ebu also so o ma ba judge obe emai ebu okra yetimi ba judge ni we enyina ba obe yeso yesi judges ni committee bi yeso no co program bi
your legal vacation crazy eh
because of the here pa
aso mu de mu ni ba legal mu ni so mu no mu TV mu ni say legal vacation bia o
no kra da ya na ye nim kra ahead but me che say there are time obe court wonim obetimi to kwan free kuma so obedru yesi na court na ansete if you say yesi judges co program
ampa
if also so your other colleague and case of fraud say na meet member
tini na ka on na cases
ni nyina e ka ho
a very serious problem ba abusuafo me gidi say e ofie no ye tie we ne ye de ayofutuo na ye de ate lawyer for no so asese enya bo apayo ene omo ne ayi wo ma case ncheche enso won so mie no nyina edi adanse ampa lawyer bi wo no mo a say obi a so obi an ne ma mi to obi won ma obetimi afa adwemo ne so a we de medidi ho
omo no
so yes joke bi wo ho no ma ya akofo ka say akokora bi na odi case na ne ba wie law school e ye call no oba ya cheso ko ya wie case no yes oba no oba ka chere papa say ada ene case ma wie ma ya de pa oni say ne papa bona ba so na ne papa say case ya mi medidi mu ade so atria wo law school am wie ukwa wie case no aga so twen kakra ne e udu di no it be still
personal experience no me free law school for na me kai case bi na me ba case no for na me hu so asemo de se parties no betimi
akoma de
settle no peacefully ti me ka say lawyer no ada say ka say Eric say na oba yes ade onye sika o
but
but not just one time but I mean
yes
to charge client the reality is client ne bi ha me ye ni private ya charge but more private way no e bi akom fa so nya sika TNT o charge ne kese a client ni ntimi nya
nto en kakra 5 million
e ba quarter enonya all file processes lawyers nya sika wo all file applications make applications to so dey bisade ba beto court nanim no because ansa ne be dey asem no lawyer ho kwan that is so o nyina so a obetimi dey bisade bebre aba eno betimi buy time bebre
aya asemo
ni nyina so yesika
o but lo amati pe mu patro che mo sa de unu abe make say or TNT no patro practice ethics no more right lawyer will write or GTNT or client or
yes private office no transportation
transport
stationary
so obi a discretion to obi to meje dollar money ye
oh yes
Oh, but I said
your bad scale of fee. Your bad scale of fee. How much you have to charge. Include transport. Include transport. And
the transport is discretionary.
Yes.
One of them might be
able to assemble by a bit more circumstance, no, and we say be a way. There was a case be
client need to meet the Dubai or do call London. Into yes, Obitia, into be over Quabano, we have $5,000 with you.
Client to meet the whole lawyer.
Muko dia sem no London, muko Dubai, muko US. You know so tia. Into omu
na wa ko tira play mu no yen sentu ama.
Hey, bidia.
Asema nake.
So if you chrome her, not just only maybe bebre akechire.
What you don't know must be so you chop money.
Oh, I would train you money bebre wo ha, wo hwa. And into yes say o ye program here, ye pa beboa hwe. In prepino, o ka say private practice on average, yeah, ye court. Ejuma no, ebi wo ho say o nimdie kakra nko ade ejuma bu ye so. Nti say ka say lawyer atna case nso person echa most of the time medimenia to from
Africa person case in crowd content
be break
no ne how crash so te
bi wo be frɛ o lawyer boa me omo awa form say person boa mo no untimi wi omo dia on person odi bi beka ho say omo aye boa mo na ye omo mutua nti I don't see how you be saying say na ekura we say bitimi end na o say o chinchina ache o pese o tena so baby nti ebi wo ho I think say near all can inchirichirimu na ye intimi enye momontiase but on average media for all these years I mean nam court is no normal practice say lawyer sheda say case dem delay baby if anything at all near me matter no eno ye say ne o ye sikeni ankasa be no kra me nche na fa me ni hu they say near hands ka womu ankasa but average Ghanaian case baby
sa ho ide amunye sika no he because most the lawyers who drive Jaguar, Range, Benz, BM. See how many guys I'm there. Oh, now professionally they scan so hey, we do court no. Oh, court for now. Is he back no? Judge na would baby ano. Hey, who do all my cars pacheo?
Cars no.
Now we say lawyer no born a baby. At what was so abro side do the lawyer with it.
Yes, lawyer. Car no car or dress who what had no. It's a car no car.
There was no chica papa.
Yes, I own a client do or show car. Now so the susu say oh nyansa. Oh, I'm
I'm going to pay the crop, baby, or money, mamma, show no car.
Yes, oh, may be paying. Oh, client, you shall say, back with your shots, no lawyer, kitty, Brian, shots, and me, cars, that's our golf. Medical baby, Papa, the sheriff, Mr. Anaka, say, lawyer, car with you won't be friend to before. Oh, yeah, I want to be back to David. It's a wana or craft car, Cassia. Yes. But of course, I bet it. Okay, say lawyer, we did the age.
I say, be on the other side, no.
What's the debut?
Now they're doing him now.
It was Papa. Hey, but I bet you, young Fanche. I bet me, yes, there's no free lunch. But me kai pint here, idea. And everywhere. Say now, can you show appearance?
It's true.
It's true. You
have to look the part.
That is the thing.
Once unia mama me CJ ba kro kra ba even CJ George Wood kra ba ka say mo she wig mo she gown any ade ba no dey show it
o babe sa no attach say
kind of my client no say oh this my lawyer say me lawyer ni
wo she wig no na yi now in fifre two inside na
so lawyer dey ho chiro ba o client na ni
ni ajo say hey me lawyer say no tin na mu du ko na mu keka bo forget na lati na mu jog na right ni tie on to
the client ni tie ni ni
me lawyer no big come on program I put it to you that we your cross examination that ni aje is all good but busia for ye nyina yesua emra no say the buy better lawyers na say no mo so matias ni ehu say ye boabo e ho enya boapayo so we begu e ni ase ana we begu e ni ase mo kesa na egusa ye tie no woni we be dane ye ho aba na ye ba na egusa lawyer say won kasa betimi do case court ana de bia na wo hia lawyer afi ebe bie phone lines nti share screen so numbers wo honum na won kasa wo de ato ye ni ma na enya sa so atroto 03022 0302211 ekosi 4 wa afre na afi obetimi de wadwenche ato edwa 0302211 701 wa fa wadwenche no ebra wo question bia na wo de atodwa na lawyers no atumi yi ano ama ye twa homra sisi a na hwe se won kasa betimi akokota sinima pe e beba sisi a we say mama kwa babie we eye me o case ana na hwe ni live e Adum TV so na ya ni lawyers akasa mama che de ntia cases e wo court nti wati ase wonti ase so a se de lawyer aka no matimpebu aka ene lawyer brobe se ohwa na wo lawyer so de lawyer de nya normal utumi de ko General Legal Council emi ebusa no but also hu se wo case asa na wako se ho de nkokrafo lawyers so mo mabia hye on justice CRC akokra no wuda yakopo hia na mana bro so ko se wo wanyansa na manu bro ko mbe check case party hye se wo case asa na wako ya ba hye se won ka so betimi do case akokot abra lawyer nka ho ana nti freyen na o question bia wo ma lawyers na bia wo di case bia kokot police station acha bosume ebi won ma afi bosume mpo de ye afi mfie mienu miensa ena yenu ma bi 10 years 20 years na case da ho me papa case committee na obi anim be 20 papa ni wi na TDC for ne na ho asema ko Supreme Court TDC ena ye be court say mu fada ma asomasi TDC for say there be e be chem complete injustice complete injustice and this is Ghana tina to de bi obi won mo we a wo de wa de bo ni chima no ne ka mu ano osi ano abo blows ni bi cause o court 2 years na okodi wo tira Martin people mbusa wan kasa betimi do case akokot lawyer nkan ho
mrama kwan
obeye ne
from district court circuit court high court nyina even Supreme Court kura opa obetimi wan kasa betimi
kwan ben so na obefa ko
nti ne anka okofa lawyer ne o se lawyer ye no eno an so na se uni lawyer e o se wo ye nti mfa se district court ni say oh nipa bebre ko hwa omon fa lawyer nti on say registrar no crachi penyin na no hwe court no so no oni staff court class ni no munim forms ne fill ni ne kaka nti ko bi o mo so a omutimi boa pa because on say no kure wo mu ni say lawyers e organ ye nurse entimi dey be entimi
mo so
nti oko district court na aban crachi penyin no ne juma fo no omutimi boa pa ema omoye fill forms no oba circuit court are the same thing high court the same but ne o no say into say district court na judges no timi boa pa anchi so mu ni say can you no because me fan say so be the oka 10,000 na until
Bacho chairman me na me fa call bi na member so I have a lot to say Bacho good evening
this is your good evening
boko there
oh ya mi adon boko
me ti o question awo ma lawyers so
your platform is wa ma ha mi nyawo
platform be ya
your Facebook ya the uba life ya me say we stream live
I said about mo betie education no aye
imagine yeah private nkofu be private way toilet e was we
private and there's any legal issue boss
no man who na private ngu no no mo chiu na omulikatu we na me come as me mpese mpeja mpeni
okay but enu de am say tie I have a lot to say yeah what deputy I have a lot to say we environmental issue EPA enti we me as case here okay ko ya my reporter ko fieje wa ba ho no ma be report sa case we ndi ye wo so why enti ya kan omo baby bi omo anya ye de be ko EPA because normally environmental issues there assembly no kra no assembly bia EPA e wo ho EPA for now so mo nsure so bi edi environmental law no so to me fa be KVIP eyi nkoto eyi gatem no you can't do that nti mbacho ko assembly ho but assembly ya dey ye cry report why nti we need how cry nti ye be also a question bia no wa friend na we busa law na already mama fa Frank ne nkoso bra Frank good evening
mama
mbacho fefi
mama so me fefi
takrade mo wo question bi
the first one more question be now we dey the person ni booster lawyer we program ma twanya tembia me pona ja fa me kon
oh kafra
the first one me free eastern region won na person booster lawyer sem kakra bi na me ma me ye ohema na ohema na oye no o transfer almost 15 years na otase na abade mo na trese ebusuya
no
mine
Bra Frank
eboa
Bra Frank what dey no asem okay land case me boa
me pass on land case
land cases dey na ho narration nya ketua o ewa because if na na bisu na besi obisu ntunim de be ye wie program na mpacho frame me na menje facts na na lawyer enhwe emo a wate
ma pass on number we aso
mpacho an we a megina ni mo ya atwen why
me pass on mate
yakopon sha jilo na o ka bibia about say wa obetimi the case na court ba o ka say nenso
until district court no no judges no to omo eboa yie because they on say most of the time the value involved no is 20,000 or less. Until prepi no crowd person for lawyer na chisi scan fabrica could di lawyer and judges no buapa but from circuit court onwards no no on say no mrama kwan say one kasa ultimate the case no court but in prepi na ho the judge onya ho emwa out say district but book laws no there are some few people are cases or one kasa mo the high court to be who say or yeah but prepi no say high court complex until omo a obehwe na ade na ewie no most of the time yeah ti ho sa na ohwe na say ade a obetimi aboa kakra na okujina no ho na wasumu no aboa ne kakra ne yeah
anya bete la but onim say emo sika bia wotua wo court charges filing fees person wo chire mu ma fa sister Adwanza sister Adwa good evening sister Adwa is Adwa men TV no why tie wo telephone him the TV ni delay we free so lo abrobi mpacho filing fees no
filing fee
oh
it depend as ade a be file ni na ene be kire eno so your friends a constitutional instrument e kire all process na bibia ye file or court bia no e kire court de bibia emrana
ye de
inti o file be paper bi or court wa apart from letter or chakoma registrar bibia ye file ho bia no e attract a price
sir
but legal aid demon na ye there inti cases say free legal ni bitisa attorney general na exempted
and legal aid the case bound to filing fee
debi
sir
once I stamp and the boss
say no ntua
no
nti yes I was saying go for the cases be mo but mo na district offices mu ni go for
but me fa bibi eno de on eno de untua hwe baby ha bibi so de ma bailiff eno de enye some money accounted for because file bibi it is part at ma bailiff bibi de
TNT or de we no be ko post I see
enye say TNT ne capture wo file ni but one in Ghana has
I know
these are
facilitation na kwa the marketing for no ye media house ye airtime buying your friend facilitation
but ye ka say
mama so every month
yeah facilitation
mama fan to tier for so say one ka sabe timi do asema akokot emrana ye ka ho asem nyina no ye ton o hwe CI 59 constitutional instrument 59 regulate a chere kwa ofa so the case by district court na ye ton and make it a man near my very simple it wo dey asem no wo dey asem court district court ahun e ma say wo dey obetie ni mu keke e na wo dey beto paper so enti say circuit court ne high court o say
o chire mu kwa
eno de o ma summary keka emra ne che so o ma summary keka eno no enema bibro nti family tribunal rent magistrate ni weminya enema ne so flexible
okay
enti ena ebua emra na e control ana e kire procedure no why format e wo schedule e wo akira obetima hwe
o sabro for ke say schedule na CI 57 CI 47 Ghana for no munimo
nti na me say eno edrusu na okọ krachi penyim ha
registrar no wa che ho
and then court clerks ni omo ya
ade on the guide office so I bet
nti omo mra office na kire omo na wo ka say ye ton CI no mkoto bia obe kan brofo no e wo ti ase ena bebre so brofo no ye tinye na eni mu le post school no so ho nti lo a unim say last week esi ameka senke to aso a ye bewie emsa asem na enwe yo e bebre ho no ma wo se ka e come because mo district office ya o say nkofo nko we muni offices wo o say district office be one person eti wo on sanye lawyer
na nye district
abuja de besia ya time na so ane sa nti every me wo case na nie ye no lawyer for ne be kram na yakopon ye ademai be san beto aso na ya che ba bia obetimi afa lawyer opoku brobe any lawyer Martin Pebu yakopon hyamu lawyers amotum ho achese mbesum Ghana man aboa oman production team na thank you very much Nana Techi ene ma Benny sister thank you yakopon ye adema next week e beto aso